Hello dear students. After 7.1, as I told you that some of the questions you have to do yourself, because each and every questions I cannot give you in the through the video. But now I will just like to skip this 7.2 and let us start 7.3. In 7.3, question is factorize the following. Question is factorize the following, and the first question says that x square plus 5x plus 6. This is a quadratic equation because the highest power is 2, here highest power 2, here power 1, because the variable we need to see the power of each and every variables. So in quadratic equations definitely we are going to get only one variable, but the highest power will be 2. So for example, here you can see here highest power 2, that means for each and every questions, if the highest power is 2 and 3 terms, if the highest power is 2 and the terms are 3, we used to do one method that is called splitting the middle term method. So that we are going to learn it here. Splitting the middle term means what? In this question, if you solve it, then x square, this plus exact it is same, and this plus exact it is same, and 6 and 6, this x remains same, only this 5 splitting the middle term, that means the middle number that we will split in two parts. So like if it is 4 can be written 2 plus 2 also 4, this 4 can be written 3 plus 1 also 4, this 4 can be written 5 minus 1 also 4. Okay, this is called splitting the middle term. But for 4, which two numbers are going to be accepted by the equation, that will be decided by the constant. As you know, this is called coefficient. Coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of x is 5, and this one is called constant term, because your all the quadratic equation is in the form, it is to be in the form of ax square plus bx and plus c, where x is your variable and a, b and c is your integer. Okay, integers, it may be negative or the positive, that is here plus or here plus minus, that is not the problem, but they are constant number. Okay, sorry, they are constant. So in this question, suppose here 5, keep in mind that here one number you are going to write, one symbol you are going to use, that is plus or minus. Here plus or minus, you don't think that this one is plus, that's why here plus, no, not like that. This plus always will come from the constant. If it is positive, here also plus, if here minus, then here minus. So here you need to write two numbers, when you will add it, it must come 5. For that, mostly we will take out the LCM of 6. If you take out the LCM of 6, then 3 2s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. We will split 6 in such a way that when we add these two numbers, it must come the 5 middle number. So for that, for 6 we are getting 3, 2 and 1. 1 also important for factorization. So 3, 2, 1. Sometimes we will take 1, sometimes we will not take that. So here 3 and 2. So we can write here 3 and 2, because 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. And when we multiply this 3 into 2, so 3 into 2 is 6, 3 to the 6. I hope you understood. You need to write two numbers inside the bracket. That number when you do plus or minus, if you are plus, so definitely you are going to write plus, if you are minus, so definitely you will write here minus. When you do these two plus, it must come the middle number, and when you multiply these two numbers, it must come 6. This is the first question, try to understand nicely. When you plus these two numbers or when you multiply these two numbers, this sign is depends here. Okay, whether the constant is positive or negative, but this 6 is constant, but when you multiply these two, it must come 6. Now we will remove the bracket. when we remove the bracket, we can see x square plus x square plus this x, as you know that if it is 3 and here 2 plus 4, you know that this is 3 into 2 6, 3 into 4 12 like that. So this 3, if it is here, same only 3 into 2 6 and 3 into 4 12. Okay, no matter it is before the bracket or after the bracket, always after the bracket and before the bracket multiplication sign needs to be there. Now, so we'll multiply 3 into x, 3x. This 2 sign always multiply here. Plus into plus, plus. Then this 2 into x, 2x. Again, 3 into x, 3x. Plus, because 3 we have done, after this what? Plus. So plus, plus, plus. Now after plus is what? 2. Then 2 into x, 2x plus 6, so 6. From here always we used to take out common. Why common? Because we have even number of pair, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can make one pair here, one pair here. So from these two, here x 2 times and here only 1. So we can take out 1x out. So if 1x is out, that means we have x plus 3. From these two term only we will take the common. Here x square and here x. So x square, here 2 times x, here only 1, so 1x is common. So from the 2, 1 out, that means only 1 left, this much. Plus, so plus, this x already out, that means 3, so 3. Now keep in mind that whenever you are confused whether it is right or wrong, just go reverse, do the reverse calculation, like x into x, x square, plus into plus, plus, x into 3, 3x, that means this is correct. If something is wrong, you will not get the previous line correctly. Here also x plus 3. If here x plus 3, here also x plus 3. Always compare it here, these two. Okay, you can compare these two also, anyone, no problem. But whether you compare this one. Here, if you see, this is 2x, and here you have only x. That means here you need to write 2. Okay, this is 2x, this is term, no, only 2 terms, here also 2 terms, this one is for this one and this one is for this one, this plus is this one. So this is 2x and here only x, that means 2, we need to write here 2, but if you write here 2 means here also you need to write 2. So we can, inside the bracket we cannot do anything, so we will do it outside. So if here 2x and here x, so we will write here 2. As soon as you write 2, you will find 6 also, because 2 into x, 2x, and 2 into 3, 6. Okay, if your process is correct. Now here you need to write the sign. Okay, this sign will come from these two, you need to multiply. Here plus and here plus. So plus into plus, plus. Okay, plus into plus, plus. Now we have x plus 3 and x plus 3 2 times. So we will take only one, x plus 3. So x plus 3 we have taken. Now we have x and plus 2. So x plus 2. Okay, x plus 2. So this is the solution. So therefore factors of x square plus 5x plus 6 are x plus 3 and x plus 2. Okay, this is the solution for question number 1. Okay, similarly we will do question number 2.